Hello creators! Are you tired of free limited access AI tools? Or are you frustrated with scrolling through 10 or more free AI platforms? In this AI tutorial, I'm going to show you the 5 best free AI tools worth trying right now to help you create content faster at zero cost. First up is Yupp AI. Sign up with an email for free and you'll be redirected to a Get Started page. Type in your prompt, and Yupp AI will display 2 AI models side by side to output your request. In this instance, it chose DeepSeek V3 and Claude Sonnet 4 as the LLMs to output my "What is YouTube automation" prompt. Select which AI model response you like best and click "I prefer this." Yupp AI will then ask, "Why was this response better?" Answer it and click "Send feedback." Once finished, click on the reward scratch off and you'll get 5,000 credits. After that, click Take me to the home page where you'll have access to some of the best free AI models on one platform. In the prompt area, select Choose Models. A display window will pop up and you'll see a number of AI models to choose from. As you can see, there are several AI tools you might recognize, such as Claude, Llama, DeepSeek, Gemini, Qwen, AI, and ChatGPT. To see more, click View All and you'll see the hundreds of AI tools that are on Yupp's platform. There's also AI image and video generation tools such as Google Imagine, Tencent Hunyan, Minimax AI, and more. Now let's select 2 models. I'll choose Claude for the first AI model. As you can see, there's multiple choices, and the ones without $ are free to use. I'll select Claude Sonnet 4 thinking model. Next, I'll click Add a model and choose Gemini 2.5 Flashlight. Then I'll paste in my prompt and hit the arrow button to generate a response. Notice the app generated a response from DeepSeek instead of Claude, so be mindful of occasional mishaps. Now when you scroll to the bottom and select "I prefer this," you'll get the window asking why you prefer whichever AI model you chose. When you answer and press Send feedback, you'll receive more credits. This will enable you to continue to use the platform for free. In my opinion, this AI tool is definitely worth trying out if you want one tab for multiple LLMs. The next website is TinyWow, which hosts a ton of free tools and have over 1 million users. They have 5 main categories, which are PDF, video, image, converter, AI Write, and other tools. I'm going to first select AI Write, and here you can see a list of AI Writer tools. I'll choose YouTube Scriptwriter and a page will open up with the AI tool. It has a very simple and clean look. On the left side is a topic section, a humanized text, which is a paid upgrade, a tone of voice, and a length option. I'll select medium for the length of the script and go to the topic section to paste in my title. Then I'll hit generate. As you can see, TinyWow created a pretty lengthy script which includes bracketed sections and narrator tones. The quality of the writing is good, but always check behind AI for accuracy. This YouTube script generator have a text editor so you can make adjustments accordingly. At the bottom, you can download your script as a text document and/or copy-paste to your desired location. At the top, there is a rewrite and a keep writing option if you are not satisfied with the results. Now I'll use the podcast scriptwriter. I'll type in my topic. For the tone of voice, I'll select casual, and there is no length option for this AI generator. Now I'll hit generate to render. As you can see, the AI podcast generator produced a lengthy script and the format was decent. However, this time there were several errors such as misspelled words, mispronunciations, and hallucinations. So again, be sure to check the AI tool's output. Let's go to image tools. There's an AI image generator that you can use, however, don't expect any spectacular results. Most of the generations here are cartoon-like quality. Other useful AI image tools are Remove Background, Upscale Image, Image to Text, change background, resize image, and remove objects. Now let's look at some AI video tool options. There's an Instagram downloader, TikTok downloader, MP4 to MP3, extract audio from video, video to GIF. And you click all video tools, you'll have a lot more to choose from. The next best free AI tool is Vheer, the free AI image generator and free image to video generator website. Vheer have features such as text to image, image to image, image to prompt, image to text, background remover, photo to anime converter, and digital avatar. Let me show you a text-to-image generation with a very detailed prompt. The aspect ratio is 16:9, and I'll hit generate. As you can see, it generated a pretty accurate image of what I wrote in the prompt. Now I'll download this image and head over to Vheer's AI image to video tool. On the image to video page, I'll click Generate Video from Image, then I'll drag and drop in the motorcycle image I just created. As you can see, the AI video generator recognized the contents of the image and it automatically filled in a prompt. I'll leave the prompt and settings the way it is and hit Generate to render a video. The video looks really good, however, the only problem is the tires are not rotating. Other than that, the slow motion, dust flying, and scenery is on point. The next best free AI tool is Alibaba's Qwen AI. Qwen 3 have a few models to choose from, but for now, I'm going to use the most powerful mixture of language 230B version. On first look, you have thinking, search, web development, deep research, and image generation. Click more to view additional tools. The first thing I'm going to show you is Qwen AI ability to create a game through code. I'll paste in my prompt for the classic falling objects game and hit enter. Qwen AI writes the code, and I'll speed up the video to save time. As you can see, the falling objects game was accurately created with scorekeeper and level difficulty as requested in the prompt. I'll hit play again, and this time I'll use my finger on the touchscreen instead of the mouse. As you can see, the response time is much faster when I click on a falling object. My score is much better than what it was when using the mouse. Next, let me show you Qwen Chat's writing abilities. I've prompted it to write a YouTube script, and here are the results. The format it generated is really good. It has bracketed timestamps and scene titles. In parentheses, it gives advice on music and quick cuts of viral videos and the host tone and voice. It also gives a good hook and introduction in the beginning of the video within the first 15 seconds. The introduction definitely seems more human-like, which makes it useful. As I continue to read through the script, it stays consistent with its format and stays on subject. So if you're looking for another free way to assist you with script writing, try this out. Now I'll briefly show you a few AI images and videos generated by Qwen 3. First up is this photorealistic portrait of an Indian woman standing by a tree. Next is an animated image of what's supposed to have been a Bigfoot selecting potatoes alone, but a bird was added. Last but not least is an image of a cute green parrot with large eyes standing in the desert. The AI image is rendered in a 3D 4K realistic cartoon art style. Next, let's take a look at a couple of AI video generations. I selected 16:9 aspect ratio and image to video is not accessible. The video I'm going to show you first is a man skiing down a slope kicking up clouds of snow. The video does have an amusing glitch, whereas one skier disappears while another skier leaps over him. Other than that, not bad. The next video is one of race cars roaring past on a track in front of the pyramids, kicking up sand under their tires. The camera stays close to the ground during the golden hour at dusk, which does a good job at making this scene look pretty decent. The fifth and final best free AI tool is Google AI Studio. You can choose between Gemini 2.5 Pro, Flash, and Flash Lite version models. You can increase or decrease the temperature for the amount of creativity. You can switch on or off thinking mode, and below that are some more tools to experiment with. For this segment, I'm going to skip chat and stream for now and go to general media first. First, I'm going to generate images with Imagine. I'll paste in my prompt and hit run. The prompt is an image of a cartoon owl with large eyeglasses, a laptop, and candles on a wooden desk, Pixar style with 3D rendering and warm, cinematic lighting. I'll speed up the video while it's rendering to save time. As you can see, this is an absolute stunning image. Google Imagine generated all the details I described in the prompt accurately. The owl with the big eyeglasses, the illuminated laptop, candles, warm lighting, and 3D Pixar rendering to name a few. Now I'll go over to Gemini text-to-speech generation. By default is the multi-speaker settings. In the center is the script builder where you input text for 2 speakers. On the left side panel is the raw structure where you'll see how to structure your script. On the right side panel is the mode, which gives you the option to choose between multi-speaker and single speaker. Now let's listen to some AI voices.
Got a project in mind?
What do you want to explore?
Ready to make something amazing?
Ready to build something awesome today?
I'll switch back to multi-speakers and add 2 more dialogues for each speaker. To do that, click on Add Dialogue. Speaker 1 will pop up first. Type in your text, and you'll see on the left side panel the text is inputting as well under Raw Structure. Hit Enter when done. Then click Add Dialogue again and do the same for Speaker 2. Repeat the process to get your full script. Click the Run button when you're done. It can take a few minutes to render depending on how long your script is.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Really cool features.
Yeah, and it's free to use.
Now let's take a look at generating videos with Veo 2. I'll paste in my prompt, hit run, and wait for it to generate. To save time, I'll go right to the rendered video. The prompt is basically a leopard gracefully swims underwater amidst vibrant coral reefs and lush aquatic plants. As you can see, Veo 2 still does a pretty good job rendering videos, but it's limited free access. Next, I'll go over to the Build menu where you can create apps and games from a single prompt. There's also a bunch of pre-made apps and games below that were created by Gemini. I'm going to paste in my prompt that says, create an interactive prompts database for AI images, and then I'll hit run. As you can see, Gemini is thinking and building a code to write. This will take quite a bit of time, so I'll edit this video to speed up the process. As you can see on the right side panel, Gemini created an image prompt database called Prompt Forge. I'm going to hide the code and everything else except the image prompt app itself so you can see it better. The image prompt app have a search menu, an add prompt button, and category tags to filter different image styles. When you click on an image, a window will pop up with the prompt, the image, and a regenerate button. When you click on the Add Prompt button, a window will pop up, and here's where you can type in a prompt. Select a category, and click Add and Generate. Gemini will automatically generate an AI image related to your prompt. As you can see, it created a really nice image. For the prompts with no visible image, I clicked on it to open up the pop-up window. Then I pressed Regenerate to create a new AI image. The image is now updated for the prompt. Okay, everyone, that wraps up Google AI Studio and the 5 best free AI tools worth trying right now. I hope this AI tutorial brought you some value. Thanks, everyone. That wraps up this AI tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be alerted for newly released videos. Thanks.